Hey, Frugivore! Today we are going to check out together, we're going to have a look at PlantfifulKiki's latest What I Eat in a Day Down 70 Pounds video. It's only about 2 days old and it's only about 1 minute long, so hang around, we're going to check that out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the way that she is eating. And that's what we're here for, right? We're here to have a look at how she's eating, see if we can help improve that, or whether we can confirm it's a great way to eat for the human frugivore species. And PlantfifulKiki, I did do a video on her previously if you haven't watched that one, and I think she saw it because she made a short on Instagram, I believe, talking all about fruit and how much she loves it. And I left a comment on that. I thought that's fantastic, amazing, that's great. But all I can go by is what these individuals put in their What I Eat in a Day videos. So if they talk about eating, like loving a lot of fruit and eating a lot of fruit, but then in their videos they don't do that, I kind of, I can only go by what they put in the videos. But anyway, we're going to check out today and see if she does eat a lot of fruit and see how she eats in general.
Here's another how I eat in a...
Oh, hang on. And I noticed here there's a hashtag saying low calorie. And I'm like, no, why are you hashtagging it that? Obviously, that's a bit of a preview of what's to come. Or else, I don't know why she would hashtag it low calorie. It's low life. It's very sad. You don't want to eat low calorie. You want just sufficient calories, right?
day to stay lean and maintain my 70-pound weight loss.
Oh, there's fruit. Great. But anyway, I just want to comment on the fact that she said, what I eat in a day to stay lean and maintain my 70-pound weight loss. And if you get there via low calorie, that's what I've got to say here. If you get there via restriction, then you will have to restrict to maintain. And we know that this does not last long term, right? It's not a good, sustainable plan. Even if you're eating fruit, even if you're eating a bit of fruit in there, okay? You know what I'm like? I've called out low calorie fruit diets as well. So please eat sufficiently, not low calorie. But anyway, I'm happy to see some fruit here.
So I started off the day with a big bowl of berries and...
I wouldn't call that a big bowl. That's definitely not a big bowl. I would say the strawberries, half a banana, I'd say maybe, I don't know, she might have 120 calories or so.
Banana, and then I had a bowl of granola with almond milk and bananas.
Okay, granola, almond milk and bananas. I would say granola, I don't know, about 270 calories, 300. We know that the starch solution followers, the maximum weight loss followers, like high carb Hannah as well, they go for 500 calories for a meal, generally around that. But that was probably, because she had banana in the granola, it could have been around 500 calories in total, or maybe a little bit less.
Then we hit the beach and we are hardcore beach.
Probably a bit less. Oh, it's hard to say, but it's fantastic to see that there was fruit in there, right? Already better than high carb Hannah. Not a lot, but still great to see.
Goers, so we will stay here as long as humanly possible.
That looks beautiful.
And I brought a bunch of grapes.
Okay, whoa. We are going into the grapes here. When we're going into more fruit here. See, I would say maybe 80 to 100 calories, and with the breakfast that's probably around 500 in total. And I think that is fantastic that she's having more fruit.
And snacked on those while we were at the beach. And then for lunch I made two of...
Okay, so shiitake mushroom ramen, two
these shiitake mushroom ramen.
So she made two of these packets, and good to see that it is, it says vegan, plant-based, and organic, but it's very crispy wartime, right? Very crispy wartime. This is kind of a prime example of famine food, even though it's in a pretty wrapping and everything, the marketing, but it's just dry, crispy wartime. It's best for the bunker. Throw it in your bunker, Kiki. Just throw it in your bunker. I want to see Kiki on Raw Till 4, right? She would do amazing. She's almost there. She's almost there, but the quantities are so much lower than what you are allowed on Raw Till 4. It's unlimited on Raw Till 4. I actually advise you to count your calories to make sure you get enough, not so you restrict. So that's the beauty of Raw Till 4. You can transform your body, your mind, your whole entire life, like I have myself, and eat as much as you care for. Doesn't that just sound amazing? and it is possible. It's not a lie, and I've kept the weight off for like 11 years or so now, and many others have had fantastic results on Raw Till 4, and I've showed their testimonials over the years. So definitely check out the fruit-based diet. The links to the ebooks are in the description below, or you can get the physical books on Amazon. And just change your life and do it with unlimited food. Kiki, jump on board. A better cooked option here would be whole foods. I mean, I know sometimes maybe you don't have any choice, but I feel like she probably does have a choice because she had fruit as well. So she can, go to the market and get things like potatoes, sweet potatoes, rice mixed with mushrooms instead of the crispy wartime.
Ramen packets that I was able to find at the local market here, and I added some.
Yeah, so she went to the local market, so she could have bought a better option would have been Whole Foods.
Cilantro and fresh mushrooms. Then we decided to hop on this scooter and go into town to get
Oh gosh, I hate these scooters. I just don't go on them. Oh no.
Supplies, and this was always an adventure because they drive on the opposite side of the road here.
Oh, I'm not sure where she is.
Then I had some dates for.
She had some dates. Okay, so we'll assume maybe that's 2 dates. So that would be around 100 calories. Maybe she had more, but I'm not sure. She said some. I don't know. I think she's very careful about how many she has. She's written here low calorie, so I'm only going to say around 2. So that would be around 100 calories. Those medules are often said to be 70 calories, but I only believe them to be 50 at the most. And now, what's this one?
For a snack and a little guacamole that I had made.
Okay, a little guacamole. She's got a couple of tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons or so. Yeah, that's probably around 130 calories or so with the cucumber.
And some cucumber slices.
Boy, it's healthy. And let me just make a point of saying that is great. That is healthy. I think that is, can't complain.
Then I had to get some work done and shoot some content for an upcoming project that I have been.
Oh, she's got a half a watermelon. Oh, hang on. I think she's just modeling with a half a watermelon. I'm not sure whether she's going to eat it. But she might. But I don't think she's
working on.
Then no, she's posing with it, yeah.
Dinner, I made this big salad.
The melon was a prop. But I think in other videos, maybe she eats a half a melon here and there. So probably that would be good. So she had a salad there. And I think that salad looked about, I don't know, it had a little bit of avocado in there, maybe around 150 calories, And this looks like, it's hard to say because it's close to the camera. She's getting up to around I think about, maybe 1,600 or so calories by this point.
And had a big bowl of pasta with mushroom marinara and dates.
Mushroom marinara. Okay, yeah. And dates. So she had dates, and so this is another 100 calories, and she's using 2 as an example, so that's what she probably had before.
For dessert. Here's it.
Okay, all right. So if we add that up, that is going to come to around maybe 1,700 calories. To be generous, maybe 1,750. And yeah, it's better than 1,500 calories, isn't it? High Carb Hannah, I think, is still sticking to the 1,500, and Kiki was in various videos, but I think she's got a little bit more here, a couple 100 calories more, but it's not enough. Someone of her weight, which is, healthy weight, someone of her weight at her age should be having around 2,500 calories, or at least 2,200 to 2,500 calories. So she's still in a deficit here of potentially 800 calories. Potentially 800 calories or more. And it's quite deceiving, really. It's quite deceiving because what she ate may seem to be enough. Oh, well, she's got a good variety. She's got some fruit in there. She's got some grains, like some granola, and it seems like quite a bit of volume, when you spread it over the day, but it's actually not. It's not very much at all. And although it's fantastic to see the fruit, I'm just like, yes, Kiki, I am so supportive. It actually ends up being, a very deficient amount that she's eating, right? It's kind of like it's a great diet. Okay, there's the wartime. It can be improved in the pasta. It can be improved, but having pasta here and there, that's fine, right? It's okay. But What I'm saying is the overall volume is not enough. It's not enough to keep her healthy and thriving and lean on this lifestyle long term. Okay, you can do it for a couple of years, right? You can do it for a couple of years. So we don't see the binges, we don't see other stuff, potential binges that go along with eating a low calorie. Remember, she said it herself, she warned us, a low calorie diet. And I just want Kiki to know I'm not giving you crap here and saying there's anything like you're a bad person or anything like that. No, I'm just saying that you can increase the amount of volume that you're eating of the right foods, of the fruits in particular, right? And of the high carbohydrate foods, and you're going to be okay. You're not going to gain weight. You're not going to gain all this weight unless you really, really restrict it to get to where you are at, and then you will have to gain a little bit initially. But yeah, so uh, it's disappointing that she's having 800 calories or even more less than she should be having at her weight. She's a mother, her, energy output, everything like that. So more food, Kiki. Great to see the fruit, but just eat more of it. Get so much more volume in, and it's going to be better for you in the long run. All right, don't forget to go fruit yourself. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I will talk to you soon.